Okay, so we have this is the box right here for the X-540 by Logitech, vintage kind of at this point, but it's pretty cool. It's got all these speakers to it. I'm gonna try to hook it up and see what we can do with this baby. So I'll unhook everything right now, and we're gonna start the process. Right now, I just have basic speakers, as you can see. Play just a random song here. Okay, and see what it sounds like.
When we first arrive at St. Jude.
Okay, so not too bad. So let's get to setting this thing up. So I'm going to follow this diagram. We're going to set this baby up. So first, we have the subwoofer right here. Subwoofer is where the power comes into play. So right here, we have this cable. This goes here. I plugged this in already. So once it's plugged in, we have this baby right here. See? Power off, power on. Let's go power off right now. Start to set it up. With the subwoofer, we have two right rear speaker with white plug. There's number 2 right here, and it goes into the back of this. So I just want to be able to follow when I do this. So let's go look for the one with the white plug. Here's the white plug. It goes to that. It's a real long cord, so that way I can put it wherever I want to in the room, right? That goes into here. Second step is the black plug, and it's color coded, so this is, I'm taking more time than necessary, but I just want to just take it, set it, make sure I'm setting everything up right. Goes into black. That's the rear left. Next up, we have the audio input cable, green, black, orange, plus plugs, and that is this baby right here. I'm going to open this up. You can see how that one goes. It just shows these number 4 right here, and it just shows them going nowhere. I guess they're going to the computer. But we know from the color coded here, it's just green goes into green. The rear is black. And then orange. This one looks yellow, but that would go into here. I assume the other side would go into the computer. Well, let's just continue to plug up here. We have the red plug. Orange to orange. That's center, right? Yeah, and then yellow is the last one. This is clearly yellow right here. Yellow into yellow. Everything is hooked up now. Everything is hooked up into the subwoofer. That's pretty much how that works. Now we can go down here, connecting your Logitech speaker system. You have a headphone jack, master. This is for controlling the volume. We have the bass, controlling the bass. We have the matrix mode, whatever that means. Matrix mode, power. Okay, so all that, of course, we have. That's all right here. 2 front satellite speakers on either side of your computer monitor, about the same distance from each other. Angle them to face you. Place the wired remote control within easy reach. Place. Okay, we'll just start there. So that'd be the red front right, and the yellow. Okay, we have the red and the yellow facing me, both sides of the monitor. Looks good. Place the wired remote control within easy reach. Wired remote control. It's all a mess right now, but remote control. Easy reach. Okay. Left and right satellite speakers behind you about the same distance apart as the front speakers. That's a nice little place. It won't go nowhere. Oh, nice little speaker there. Oh, yes. And surround sound. Right, that baby right there. I got one here. I got one here. Made a little surround sound. Okay. For best quality, place the subwoofer on the floor beneath your desk. Make sure 6 inches of spacing around the subwoofer. Now adequate ventilation. Okay, a little bit of ventilation. Ventilation. Okay, this one says sub Orange goes to sub. Line in, line out, mic in, side, rear. Okay. Rear is black and green is front. Have them all plugged in. Okay. I don't know if this will work right. But it says with a 2-channel sound card, it may be what I have. You connect the green to the audio input, line out jack. You don't use the black and orange. With the 2-channel sound card, you will not hear the sound from the rear speakers unless you activate matrix mode. So that's basically where we're at now. So I'm going to play the song and see if it even works. It's not working. It's not a big surprise because it's not on. Oh, ho, ho.
I'm leaving my past behind.
We got surround sound. Yes.
I'm leaving my past behind.